program provides the opportunity for students with disabilities as well as students without disabilities to participate in an athletics program that better meets their needs. It allows us to modify sports as necessary, but still give that option for our students, that ability for our students to participate and represent their school in an athletic environment.
With being on a regular sports team, I feel that there's more stress trying to reach the higher level, because with the varsity and JV, you're trying to always get onto the varsity team, but with Corollary Sports, you only have that one level, so it's a lot less stress for people who are trying to play those sports.
I think the most important way that our Corollary Athletics program mirrors our interscholastic athletics program is that it's still an athletic team working towards that common goal. It allows our students to represent their school, to wear the school uniform, to have the school's name emblazoned across their chest, and be a part of a program as they improve relationships and their athletic skills in a competitive environment.
So we are lucky enough here to have a good mix of kids. We have 3 special ed students and we have 3 general ed students, and we also have one that comes back from college that bowls with us too. He graduated last year, so he comes and bowls with us also. But it's a really nice mix because we have our special ed kids that get a chance, their opportunity to participate, and then we have our general ed kids that are really good supports for them, and like they're
really
great,
encouraging.
Very encouraging, great cheerleaders for them, and it's been really nice to see them interact with each other.
Corollary, like whether it's one pin knockdown or a strike, there's always that level of cheering and excitement, and that's just something that I think everyone in the county, regardless JV, varsity, Corollary Sports, could learn from.
It's so nice for my teammates cheering.
Practice makes perfect.
They have all grown and just become a lot more comfortable with each other.
Yes.
And for some of like the LFI kids, you know, they're usually just with each other like throughout the school day. So to see them like really open up and to get to know some of our other kids and have an opportunity to play with them and to be on a team with them, it's been really good, I think, for their their self-esteem and making them feel a part of the school.
Yeah,
and
they definitely seem much more confident.
Mm-hmm.
They seem more outgoing, more open.
And I think as the season has gone on, as they've got more comfortable with each other, like their relationships have really started to blossom and grow. And you can really see, like from when we started to now at the end of our season, the camaraderie between all of them is really awesome.
One of the great benefits of our Corollary program is having the ability to match our students with disabilities and students without disabilities in the athletic environment. It improves the empathy and compassion of our students without disabilities, it broadens their perspective, and it serves as a great benefit for our students with disabilities working with their peers and being a part of an athletics program, being a part of a group and a team so that they can reap the benefits of activities in a program.
I just think that program is such a great opportunity for kids who may not be able to be on a different sports team, but it is also such a great opportunity for kids who are maybe play a seasonal sport and it's their off season. Because I've seen with our general education kids that are on the team, they're super excited about it. Like they look forward to it.
Bowling is a lifelong activity that these students are going to be able to do. So we're offering them a chance to get into bowling. That's something that, as a special ed student, they're going to be able to do for the rest of their lives. Corn toss, something that when they go to a family picnic or a backyard event, they have some background now. So that's a lifelong activity that they're going to be able to experience as well. So I think that's also something that's beneficial. So now they have something that they can bond or pair up with somebody they know and say, yeah, I have some background knowledge in this and I would like to participate as well.
It's been amazing. It is the highlight of my week. These matches and seeing these kids, and even during the school day, seeing them, and they're just excited and pumped, and it is awesome. I'm so glad that we got this opportunity, and it's been amazing.
I've coached field hockey for a few years and I coached tennis for a few years, and being the Corollary coach is definitely, not that the other ones weren't rewarding and not that I didn't love them, but being able to work with these kids has been very rewarding. Like, it's by far one of the best coaching jobs that anybody could have. I mean, they make it, their happiness is infectious.
In my opinion, our Corollary Athletics program is the best thing we do in athletics. It provides opportunities for students who historically have been marginalized and not given those same opportunities to be a part of their school, to represent their school, to take advantage of all the benefits of athletics in a competitive environment, and to develop skills working with coaches and their fellow students to become better people through athletics.
I've just met some of the most genuine kids that I've ever had the opportunity to. I really wish I had done this for more than this 1 year, done it all 4 years. It just opened my eyes, and I wish I had done more, because the season's almost over and it's like, dang, that went by quick.